finished showering. There's people in my house staying over, so I don't want to be too loud. Finishing eating some cup noodles. And you get to the airport. So yeah, let's go. Alright, I have made it to the airport. My first stop is going to be to Seattle, so I can meet up with my family. And then once I'm there, I'll able to take a little break and then catch my flight to Paris. That's the first stop. Families and friends. I am inside a lounge right now, getting ready for my flight to Paris. That's my dad. Cheers. I just landed here in France and I am getting ready to explore. It's about 11 a.m. right now. Let's go get ready and explore. So I have made it to my hotel. Very cute small hotel in downtown Paris. It's actually very close to Notre Dame. I can actually see Notre Dame from here. However, the driver told me I can't go there for at least 5 years because it's under repair from the fire. But I'm gonna go explore, get some food. I'm hungry, haven't eaten yet. So my first stop here in Paris is gonna be the Shakespeare's and Company bookstore. I think it's a bookstore. For this trip, I actually got myself an adapter right here. It allows me to put any F-mount lens on my Z-lens camera. I can get a tilt shift effect. I always want to try this, so let's see how it goes. Something I always want to try is that what if I use tilt shift and a super long lens? This is a 105mm and I'm going to try it with a tilt shift effect. Let's see how it looks. Those are my parents, super cute. So now it's around 7 p.m. The first night of Paris. I am on this neighborhood where we are picking out different food. So we're just shopping around to see what's cute. But there's a lot of cute food and restaurant around here. Let's see what we got. Got a corner shop. It's very cute, very pretty. I guess we're gonna go upstairs for dinner. Alright, it is around 10 p.m. at night. I'm out here doing a photography adventure and hopefully I'll get some good shots. So get to look at Paris at night. Late night hours, McDonald's sounds great, especially they have all this like special that I don't have in America. Okay, so let's look at that. I'm gonna try with McFlurry. Oh god, why are they so different? That's it. Alright, I'm gonna pay it now. Great, got my order number, which got letters and number. I mean, and bye, at least I got my order. Alright, it is day 2 of my adventure here in France, because I'm not technically in Paris anymore. I'm in the town where Van Gogh lived most of his life, I think. Got my breakfast, it's day 2, so let's go on adventures. So I'm doing lunch here today. This is the second lunch I have here at Paris. Well, France is not Paris anymore, but a very cute restaurant here. And get some food here today. The decor here is very cute as well. It smells really nice here. Very friendly staff. Yeah, so let's get some food. That lunch was so good and now I am super full. So right now I am in a crazy shopping area with a lot of crazy display. This is actually the most normal ones that's here. Let me show you some crazier ones. Unavoidable for me to go to the Eiffel Tower. A town called, no, I don't know exactly what it's called because they told me in Chinese. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Why do I not have this in America? Why do they not have this in America? Oh my god, I don't know what this is, but I want it. And it's new. This is not the most price efficient one, but I'm on vacation and I need to try it. I'm gonna say this is a small victory. Got ice cream. A little bit different than I would expect it, but it should be hazelnut like. Oh, it's very rich in hazelnut. I like it. I am day 3 on my adventure. Oh shoot, got on my hand. But yeah, I am having a French breakfast out here. There's actually a street market right now. It is, there's a fake watch, but it's 8 in the morning. I'm really sleepy, but time for breakfast. So today's a little bit more rainy than the other days. As you can see, it's very gray and gloomy. I don't know if I'm able to get any good photos today, but maybe some moody photos, so possibly. Why is like McDonald's everywhere in the world is much more fancy than the one in America? The best thing about 21st century is wireless paying. Dude, they have potato wedges. They are playing chop suey at McDonald's. Can you hear this? I want you. Alright, I'm in France, so definitely I need to get myself some macaroni, right? So I got some right here from one of my fanciest restaurants that I know, McDonald's. It comes with a tiny coffee. No, it's actually not bad. But you know what? I'm excited for you. I also got a chocolate-filled chocolate chip cookie. It's perfect. I love it. You know what else also perfect for a cold, rainy day? Pho. Yeah, Vietnamese pho. Super excited for this. So let's dig in. I'm just walking around and to see if what kind of stores are in this town. So I'm just exploring. Let's see what we see. It is the last night here for me in Paris. And I'm gonna enjoy a nice glass of wine at this amazing restaurant. Bon appetit!